Hello.
Yeah, you can hear now?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, super.
Hmm. So, is there anything you want to discuss or ask me before we?
Not today. Tomorrow I will morning because I didn't get chance to do anything and study also. So
Okay.
because of I told you right. I mean yesterday I had a demo presentation, so
Okay.
I
Okay.
couldn't get chance. But I will tomorrow. I will ask.
Okay. So let's go ahead. Today, actually.
Sure.
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, please, please. No, I'm good.
Today, actually, what I want you to do, I want you to make questions.
Okay.
Immediately, you will make questions here,
Okay.
or I will make questions. So that will give you an idea to improve or review what we have already studied. So that would be, I think that is my idea today. Actually, I got that what we would do today. So we are going to do that. So
Okay.
first, let's begin with models. As you have already studied models. So now what we are going to do, we are going to make questions using model may. So how would you make questions using may?
Okay. So may I come in?
Yes.
That is one question. It means like okay.
And
And
it is a request also.
yeah, may I call you?
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, you can make questions like this only. Otherwise, if you use like may you live long, it is not a question. It becomes blessing.
blessing.
May you live long.
Okay. May I you live long.
May you live long.
May you live long.
Or
May you.
may God bless you with the sun.
Yes, yes, yeah, I got that one.
May you have nice journey. Like this.
Okay. Okay.
Suppose you are going to use next model that is like say should.
Okay.
How would you use any kind of interrogative word here? What, when, why, where, how many, how, whom? Can you use these interrogative words with that model to make questions? Like suppose you are going to use what?
What? Okay. What should I give to him?
What should I?
Why should I? Why should I give to him? I mean, why should I give?
Anything like you must take some object here like
Why should I give my pen to him? I mean,
like this. Why should I help you? Why should I?
Why should I?
Why should I help you? Why shouldn't I help you?
Why shouldn't I help you?
Or if you are going to use where,
where should we go? Where should we go to see the movie? I mean, where should we go to meet him?
where should we go? Yes, you can say like this. Or
And you asked what, right? What should I give? Also, we can say, right? What should I give to him? Because I mean,
what should I?
say like that,
What
right?
should I give him?
Yeah, what should I give him? Because suppose somebody asked me like to help one of my friend, what should I give him? Okay.
Okay, or you can say what help.
Okay.
do you expect from me? What help do you expect from me?
Yeah, that's correct, but we are using should, right? That's why I'm trying to use only should. But yeah, you are right. I mean,
Just I am using it. You can
Yeah.
use how many. Like suppose
Okay.
you are asking your doctor something
Okay.
like how many should.
How many pills should I take every day?
Yes, you can speak like how. You can use how.
Okay. How should I go reach there?
How should I reach there?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, whom?
With whom should I go there? I mean, we can say
Right,
that.
right. Whom, with whom you can say, with whom should I go there?
Should I?
Or whom should I go there with?
Yes. Or with whom should I go there?
Yes,
Also,
both are
right?
correct. You can use with in the beginning or at the end, no problem.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Like whose? Like whose?
Okay.
We are going to use that whose.
Who's with the should? You mean to say?
Yes, should.
Should only. Okay. Who should we? Who's?
Suppose I say this.
Okay. Okay.
Whose car must it be? I am not using should. Just I am just saying किसकी कार होगी ये? किसकी कार है? किसकी कार होगी?
Or we can say like whose car is this also, right?
whose car is this? Simple question. किसकी है? किसकी होगी यार ये? किसकी कार होगी यार? ये इतनी महंगी. It is very expensive car, very luxurious car. Whose car must it be?
Okay.
That time we are saying whose car must it be?
Okay.
But simply whose car is this? Why have you
Okay.
parked it here? This is simple. But when you are surprised to see somebody's car, it is expensive, it is very luxurious. That time you use it like this.
Okay. And we thought of discussing about like should with you who's, right? I mean, I'm not getting that sentence. Who's?
Simple. If you are not just means that is there is no strong possibility. You simply say whose car should it be?
Okay. Whose car should it be? Okay.
Whose car should it be?
Okay.
Even you can use can here. No problem. Whose car can it be?
Yeah. Should it? Okay. Sure.
Like you can, who will be the owner of this car after this match? Because this is going to be given to the best player of the match. Suppose.
Yes.
So you can use will here. Like who will be the proud owner of this car?
Okay.
Who will be the proud owner? Who is going to be the proud owner? Who will be the proud owner of this car? I will be.
Yeah, we can say like who is going to be, I mean, win the car.
Who is going to win the car? It is okay.
Yeah.
But who is going, if you say, who is going to win the car? It's okay. But we are talking about that car. Car is important there. Who is going to be the proud owner of the car? The car is important here.
Okay.
Or who is going to win the car? Or who is important here?
Okay. Who is the proud owner of this car? Okay.
Yeah, there is no difference. There is no hard and fast difference. But just by speaking such sentences, we actually show our intention that What is
Sure.
important? What is more important for us? Like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Uh, Suppose there is a sentence. I write a question here. Could his life have been saved? This is a question as well as it is in passive.
Okay.
Could his life have been saved?
Okay.
You understand the meaning?
Yes.
It is
Is
in
it in present or past?
It is in past.
Okay.
क्या उसकी
His life have-
क्या उसकी जान बचाई जा सकती थी?
Okay.
His life, suppose I say, his life have been saved. Simple.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, his life couldn't have been saved.
Okay.
नहीं बचाई जा सकी.
Okay.
So could his life have been saved? Yes, if he had been taken to the hospital timely.
Yes.
If I
That's what I'm thinking in my mind. His life could have been saved if they take him to the hospital in time.
If this is
Regular.
this is also past conditional. If he had been taken, past
Okay,
perfect,
he had been-
past perfect,
Yes.
and followed by this.
Okay.
If he could have been if he had been taken to the hospital timely, his life could have been saved.
Okay.
Like this. Some more examples are here. Yes, you understand a word we use like push and jostle. You know it, push and jostle. Like when it is some place is crowded with the people.
Okay.
And the people try to go forward by pushing and jostling one another.
Okay. Normally, we see this kind of things in this movie theater for tickets.
Yes. So it is
Okay.
in English. It is called pushing and jostling. Me push, dhakka mukki.
Okay. Okay.
In Hindi, we speak dhakka mukki karna. When we
Yes.
see why are you involved in pushing and jostling? Can't you stand quietly? Why are you involved in pushing and jostling? Can't you stand quietly for some time? Can't you wait for your turn? Like this. So can't you wait for your turn? This is also a question. Like one more question. Miss, today we are just discussing about questions.
Sure. No problem.
So like why can't you stand, or why can't you wait for your turn? Why can't you wait for your turn? And like why are you involved in pushing and jostling? Why are you involved in pushing and jostling? Can't you stand quietly? Why don't you wait for your turn? He says, suppose I am in hurry. Everybody is in hurry. He is saying, I have to catch my train. I have to catch my train. You may have to catch your train means होगा, आपको करनी होगी, ट्रेन अपनी पकड़नी होगी. You may have to, possibility, but I am using have to here. You may have to do it. You may have to catch your train. But we are not concerned with this. Everybody is expected to wait for his or her turn. Like suppose you are going to use could with different interrogative words, like using why, who, where, who.
Okay. Okay. Question you mean to say,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Interrogative
yes,
question.
yes.
When could we go there in time? I mean,
Actually,
normally we use this one in past, right?
yes, we use it in.
We could. Okay. Could you reach the? Could you catch the bus in time? Did you catch the bus yesterday?
But if you use could like this, it will become request. If you use could like this, could you do that? It is request. क्या आप ऐसा करोगे?
Okay.
But you are going to make it, or you are going to use it in a question. Like suppose I tell you, like who couldn't come?
Why couldn't?
Like who?
Why couldn't they help his friend?
Yes, this is right. Why couldn't they help his friend? This is okay. Why couldn't they help his friend? वो अपने फ्रेंड की हेल्प क्यों नहीं कर सके?
Yeah.
क्यों नहीं कर पाए?
Yes.
Why couldn't? और who couldn't come at time today? Who couldn't come at time today?
Yes.
When you are asking that question, suppose you are talking to your subordinates in an office, but when you speak this sentence or this sentence, who didn't come at this? Who couldn't come at time today? Who didn't come at time today? You see the difference between these two sentences. When you are talking to your subordinates and you speak, who didn't come at right time today? It means you are angry with them. कौन नहीं आया टाइम पर? It means you are showing your anger. You are not pleased with them. You are displeased. But when you say, who couldn't come at time, so it means you gave them some task and they were busy there, so they got late. So you are just talking in a polite manner. Who couldn't come at time? कौन नहीं आ पाया आज समय पर? Who didn't come means you are just showing anger. But when you say who couldn't, it is little polite. But it's a question. Who couldn't come at right time today? Right? Okay. If you are you going to use suppose where,
Where,
is it possible or not possible?
that's what I'm thinking. I'm not able to frame the question. Where could you can say like where could they be at this time?
Where
You can say where could they be at this time yesterday?
where
Could they be?
where
They
could they, or you
be
can make like this, if where could they have been
okay.
yesterday? Suppose if I say like this, what is the meaning?
Where could they have been? Could they have been yesterday? Yeah. किधर I mean कल किधर
हो सकते
जा
थे, हो सकते थे ये लोग. Where
Yeah.
could they have been yesterday? कहाँ हो सकते थे?
Yes.
But they didn't reach there. If they had made, suppose I say like this, now you are going into very deep grammar. And it is my experience to discuss all these things with you. If suppose it is a conditional sentence, if they had, suppose I say, if they had worked hard, I am talking, if they had worked hard, where could they have been? Where could they have been? Suppose I say like this, it's a very nice conditional sentence. If they had worked hard, where could they have been? अगर वो मेहनत करते, अगर वो एफर्ट लगाते अपने, तो कहाँ पे होते वो लोग? परंतु हुए नहीं, वो ऐसा कर नहीं पाए. बट दे कुडंट रीच वेयर दे शुड हैव बीन. They couldn't reach where they should have been. See this one. वो वहां नहीं पहुंच सके जहां उनको पहुंचना चाहिए था.
Yes.
They couldn't reach where they should have been.
Because they did not work hard.
Yes.
I mean,
Yes. Because they sorry. Because they didn't work hard. That's why they couldn't reach where they should have been. And it is again in conditional. If they had worked hard, they could have reached somewhere. like this. You can use where like that. Suppose I am going to use how.
Okay.
You are going
Could
to
you mean to say could?
any model. Try to use any model
Okay. Okay.
because
Okay. How could they reach in time? I mean, how could they reach the marriage in time, even though the buses are not?
yes.
I mean, not what we call. Even though they stopped the buses yesterday because of strike.
Because of
Strike is going on.
strike.
Buses are not.
Yeah, when you use strike, we use call on, or call off.
Okay.
Call off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Call off. Okay.
Call on. The strike was called on in the city
Okay.
by the labor union or anything.
Okay.
Yes. Now
Basically,
everything has finalized and the strike has called off.
okay.
Like this. Yes. Now you ask me what you are asking.
No, what I said, like, how could they reach the marriage? I mean, how could they attend the marriage yesterday, even though they called on
The strike was called on in the city. You want to say that?
yes, yes.
हाँ, वो मैरिज में कैसे पहुंच सकते थे जबकि
Yeah.
सिटी में स्ट्राइक थी?
Yes.
But if you write this sentence like this, how could they have attended or reached, you can say, attended the marriage while, or you can say when, the city was on strike.
Yes.
Like how could they have passed? सकते थे. How could they have attended the marriage when the city was on strike?
Okay.
Or you can say the strike was called on in the city.
Okay.
But how could they have? This is better.
Okay. Can we say like this? Like, how could they have been attended? Can we say
No.
this?
Have been attended because it is in passive. And
Okay.
they have been attended. No, it is wrong. How?
Okay.
I tell you another thing regarding
Okay.
this or related to this. In passive, how could the marriage have been attended by them when this. See this one. In passive, if you want to make it in passive, it should be like this.
Yeah, marriage should come first and then
yes.
Okay, got it.
Yes, not they.
How could the marriage have been attended?
Because
Yes.
they means they are already subjects. If you want to make it into passive voice, then you should bring object first. How could the marriage have been attended? शादी कैसे attend की जा सकती थी जबकि स्ट्राइक थी? Like this.
Marriage sorry, can you tell me the meaning of this sentence?
Marriage, or you can say, how could the marriage ceremony, if you want to understand it in a better way, then we can say, how could the marriage, I write here,
No, what?
ceremony.
Okay, that's fine. But what I'm saying, how could the marriage ceremony have been attended by them? It means they attended already, but we are saying like, how could they attended?
नहीं,
Right?
no, they couldn't attend. शादी की जो मैरिज सेरेमनी को कैसे अटेंड किया जा सकता था जबकि सिटी में स्ट्राइक थी.
Okay. I thought like I mean वो कैसा अटेंड हो गया, I mean किया, even though स्ट्राइक है तो कल करके मैं सोचा था मीनिंग.
वो मैं बताता हूँ फिर. I tell you in that, okay, your sense is different. I tell you how you can make it.
Okay.
How they have, or how, it's not a question now. अभी आप बोल रहे हो कि स्ट्राइक थी, फिर भी उन लोगों ने कैसे कैसे करके अटेंड किया मैरिज को.
Yes.
You want to say that कि उनको बड़ी परेशानी हुई, means with great difficulty they were able to. So how you can say, how were they able to attend the marriage even the city was called on strike.
Okay. But this is question, right? How are they able to attend? This is
But
question.
it should not be a question. It should be like this. How they were. Because last time I told you that couldn't we can use in negative, but when you say some affirmative in past, कर सका, कर पाया, then we use was able to, were able to. So how they were able to attend the marriage? I can't tell you how they were able to attend the marriage, because the city was on strike and there was no conveyance. They couldn't find the conveyance to reach the place. But anyhow, they reached there and finally they were able to attend the marriage. So instead of this, they could attend, no. In affirmative, we should not use could. They could attend, no. They were able to attend. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah. If you are using these sentences or questions using like should be. Suppose you want to use should be in a question. How can you use should be? It may be a passive sentence, it may be a simple active sentence, no problem.
Okay, it means in between should I can use subject, right?
Yes.
Okay. Who should it be? Okay. Give me 1 minute, please.
Sure, no problem. You take your time because this is not a test or something like that.
Okay,
You have to
exactly.
take
I
your
mean,
time to think over it.
I mean, one thing I can say, like, should it be possible to reach there in time?
Yes.
I mean, that is
Yes.
one thing.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sure. So you should write it. Should it be possible to reach there?
Yes, in time. I mean, reach there in time or something.
Yes. It's
I
a
mean,
very good question. Yes, no problem.
okay.
Should it be possible to reach there in time? Yes.
Yeah. So, I mean, if we want to use why, I mean,
Interrogative
what?
word. Suppose you are going to use how.
Okay.
How can you make? How?
Okay.
What should be?
Yeah.
Should be there.
Okay.
Should be there.
Yes. Okay. You can say same sentence. How should it be possible to reach there in time if no? I mean, if we don't have any vehicle at home right now.
Yeah,
Means
but
गाड़ी नहीं है हमारा घर में अभी. I'm saying to my wife or somebody like, okay, how should it be possible to reach there in time, even we don't have any vehicle or like any transportation.
you are right.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I want to make a question here.
Okay, that is not question.
No,
Whatever I
it's a
said
question.
right now.
It's a question. It's a
Okay.
question. But what I think I'm right.
Okay. That's fine.
See this one. Sorry. Not complete. Done. This one.
Okay.
Suppose you are discussing some project with your colleagues or subordinates, but your client is not happy. Suppose something wrong has been done, and now you are discussing with your colleagues or subordinates, and you ask, how should it be done now? अब इसको कैसे करना चाहिए, कैसे किया जा सकता है, कैसे किया जाना चाहिए, अब इसको कैसे किया जाना चाहिए, how should it be done so that our client may be happy. How should it be done now so that our client may be happy? Because so that is always followed by may. अब क्या किया जाना चाहिए ताकि वो खुश हो जाए क्लाइंट? How should it be done?
How should it be done?
This is passive. This is passive. Where should it be done? Where should it be done? Why should it be done? क्यों किया जाना चाहिए? Why should it be done?
Okay. क्यों ऐसी करना है ना आपका मीनिंग?
हाँ, क्यों ऐसे करना चाहिए, किया जाना चाहिए?
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
How, where, When? When should it be done now? Can you tell me? When? When should it be done? Tomorrow, sir? In the morning?
Okay. And we can say like this also, right? Why should it be like this?
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Why should it be? Now you are using your brain. Why should it be like this? Why should it be like this? Because this is the need of the situation. It should be like this. It shouldn't be like this. It can be like this. It may be like this. It must be like this. Okay, you can use like this. Like suppose I say this sentence or this question, where should children play? Should children be allowed to play? This is also a question. Should children be allowed to play on the roads? Children should not be allowed to play on the road. But children can be allowed to play in the grounds.
Yes.
Can, with can you can use almost all the interrogative words, no problem. Like you can use why, when, like why can't, suppose I say why can't you complete, why can't you complete that project?
But this one only we use when we speak to our subordinates only, right? We cannot say to higher officials like this, right?
Yes, definitely you cannot use with your boss.
Yes. Yes.
Or yeah, but if it's a question, you can ask them in a polite manner. How? I'll tell you. But first let me complete this. Why can't you complete that project in time? You are talking to your subordinates. This is the question. Why can't you complete this project in time? But when you are talking to your boss and you want to use the same, again you can use indirect speech. Can I know, sir? Let me complete this. Can I know, sir, why we can't complete that dash project in time? In that way you can talk to your boss also, no problem.
Okay.
But you have to be polite there.
Yes.
But with your subordinates, you can simply ask, why can't you complete this project in time? Because, sir, lot of things are to be done. We don't have much time to complete it before this month. But when you are talking to your boss, excuse me, sir, can I know, sir, why we can't complete this project in time?
Okay.
Then boss can answer. Boss can answer, boss may answer, boss should answer. It is his choice
Okay.
whether boss wants to answer or boss doesn't want to answer. Getting my point?
Yes.
Um, if you are talking to someone about a house, it is going to be constructed, suppose, and you are talking to the contractor or someone, and you simply use that kind of questions there, like where should be the kitchen, where should be, or where should be the kitchen, or where should the kitchen be. Where should the kitchen be? Which is the correct question?
Yes, this is the question. Yeah.
This is the right question. Where should the kitchen be? Kitchen should be here. Toilet should be here. That should be the veranda. That should be the living room. How long, how big should it be? How long should my living room be? According to the drawing, according to your law, or whatever. I don't want a big living room. I want a small living room. It should be smaller than this. Now I am using degrees also in models. It should be smaller than this.
Okay.
It should be bigger than this. Like this. Like suppose I say what do you think? It's a question first. What do you think the teacher should have completed? What do you think the teacher should have completed the course by now? You see this one. What do you think? The teacher should have completed the course by now. आपको क्या लगता है, टीचर को करा देना चाहिए था कंप्लीट? नहीं, करवा देना चाहिए, शुड हैव कंप्लीट, टीचर को कर लेना चाहिए था कंप्लीट कोर्स, चाहिए था अब तक, बाय नाउ.
Or we can say like, why do you think the teacher should have completed the course by now?
Yes.
Because still,
Yes. Why? क्यों लगता है आपको?
yeah, he can say like, okay, she has plenty of time, even though she did not, or she could not complete the time, or because the duration is very,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay,
You can speak like that.
okay.
Some more interesting sentences are there. We'll discuss that in our next lesson. So, that is your 5th of 35. Today it is your 5th of 35. So tomorrow it is Saturday, so I think you'd like to have 2 lessons as you told me,
Yes,
or as you wish, it is your choice. So
sure.
we'll
We will
discuss.
see, I mean, based on the content and based on those things, we will see. Okay, we'll film for 2 hours, but I mean, we don't know,
There
right?
is no restriction. It is our choice.
Okay, yes,
If we
that's what
have
I'm saying.
interest, if we are enjoying, then we can have. It is. There is no
Yes.
pressure. We are not working
Okay.
under anyone. It is your wish. It is my wish.
Okay. What about direct inter-speech? Did we complete that one? Or?
We will practice it. Don't worry.
No, practice okay, but the
Yeah.
things whatever.
Usually it is okay, but still we would have
Okay.
something more
So-
about it.
Sure. Then after direct and indirect speech, what is the topics we are going to cover? I mean, just in grammar.
Grammar we'll now little bit something from here, something from there. Now no any particular topic is left. in
Oh,
grammar,
okay. That's what my
But
question.
we will
So,
discuss.
okay. But I mean, we'll cover everything going forward.
Yes.
Not like a specific topic, but whatever, I mean, come across or anything.
Yes,
between.
yes. If we
So
come
that we
across
will-
with
we will
anything,
explain.
we'll discuss it.